G'day everyone. Today we're going to be checking the chain, cleaning the chain, adjusting the chain, and just make sure everything's okay with the VFR1200F. First, we remove these rather large luggage cases. You can carry a spare helmet, spare riding gear if you find a passenger along your way on one of your rides. Very handy piece of equipment. You access the chain now, so we'll move to do all this hours of work with checking, lubricating and adjusting the chain. Oh no. Oh. No maintenance. Oh well. So that was how you maintain the chain on the VFR 1200F.